Pro Boat 36 Sonic Wake maiden voyage in the pond. We're not going to the lake until tomorrow and this weekend. That's a big old boat. It's a lot of boat for this little bitty pond. That sucker crashed and hit us, it would hurt. That's a big old boat. The GPS never came on, but it's in there. Probably not getting over 30, 35 in this little hole of water, but it's all stock. Got some big old 15,000 mAh batteries, 130C in it. Tied together, putting on 22 too. So he says. All right, thanks for watching.
Wait a second.
Probably should check it.